Hey guys, and welcome to the 3-minute do, where today I'm going to show you how to make this. A balloon blown up without using my mouth or a pump. So what you're going to need for this is some vinegar, said balloon, you need a balloon, you need a couple of funnels, they come in handy, little bamboo skewer stick, comes in handy, you need to use it once but it's really handy, a bottle, not two, just one, a bottle, and some baking soda. You guys can take as long as you want to make this, where for me, I've got 3 minutes. Let's get it started. 3, 2, 1, go. First, get rid of that one. Here we go. Get a bottle. Don't need the lid. Bottle right here. Balloon right here. Big tip, stretch the balloon as much as you can. When you get the balloon, you need to stretch it. It just makes it go up that little bit easier. Now grab your vinegar, grab your funnel, and pour it in. Now as you pour, you want to fill it up about 1/3 of the way, and you don't want to overflow the funnel. That's about there. That's that part done. Now this is where it gets as trickiest as it gets for this challenge. You grab another funnel, you grab your balloon, and you fill it with baking soda right here. 1 big scoop. If you've got a smaller bottle, you can use a smaller bottle for this. 1 big scoop is all you'll need, but I've got the big bottle, so I'm going with 2 plus 1, 3 scoops in there. And this is where this little stick comes in handy, because as you poke it in there, look at that, it allows the baking soda to go down that little bit quicker. That's it. That's most of what you need to do. Now, as you go to put the balloon over the bottle, make sure you do not have it up like this, because you're going to start your reaction straight away. You want to pour it over like that. Now, you may be wondering, why are we doing a balloon? Well, when I think of all the ways that we can do up a balloon, we just tip it at this point like this. And as I explain the next part, tip it in and it'll start blowing up. The reason we chose to do it this way, the reason I chose to do it this way is because, well, if I was to use my mouth, you wouldn't hear me talk. And if I was to use a pump, they often break. With this way, I know it would work and it starts filling up. If you get in it like this, you just see right there, we're getting some big bubbles going on. You need to give it a little shake and it'll start to fill up that little bit more. Woo-hoo-hoo. I'm looking nervous right now because I'm worried at how hard I shook it if I was going to make it explode. But I'm not. I'm safe. And then you'll notice the excess will just fall out like that. Now, we want to tie our balloon off. We want to get it off. Good pinch there. Strong pinch there. Pops just off like that. Leaves you smelling like baking soda and vinegar. And we tie our balloon. And that is how you make, whoa, that's a heavy one. That is how you fill up a balloon without using your mouth or a pump. Now, as you can hear, I can hear it in here. I've got some time on the clock. You can hear it's a little bit heavy. Hear that? That is because I left too much liquid in there, which doesn't give me as cool of a bounce as I would have liked, but it is still there. It is still full. It is a big balloon. You can make this with any size balloon. Just make sure you stretch it out. Probably not a water balloon. You need to make sure that it will fit tight. Oh, there's my time. My time is up. But what you can do is you can make sure, the big part that I should have told you right in there, is make sure whatever balloon you get fits tightly around the lip of the bottle, or else the carbon dioxide that you make is going to leak out. But there you go. That is how you make a balloon full without using your mouth or a pump. And it is a good reminder to know that when you have a choice to make, you can weigh up your options, think about the pros and the cons, and go with the pros. There you go. Go ahead and fill up your balloons.
Gained.